Okay, so the RC truck is here, and I will just open it. We'll see what it looks like. This is the box with all the different trucks on it and stuff. It doesn't actually specifically say what's inside of it. Ooh, that's wow. Okay, let me see what this has. There's the charger. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Battery charger. And this is the 2.4 gigahertz, I believe, little controller. Of course, you know I'm making an AGV with this, so I won't need this controller, but I will test it out first. There you go. Here are some I don't know what these are, but I don't know, clips or something. The battery looks to be below the truck. I'll show you the truck last. Actually, it's an empty box. Where's the battery? Maybe it's already in the truck. Oh yeah, it's already in the truck. Well, here's the truck. Wow. Huh. That is something. Wow. It's just a little plastic film. Didn't really know it was going to be this big. This is pretty amazing. Let me take these little pins off and you can see what's under here. So 1, 2, pliers would have been good. Okay, there we go. So this comes off, and now you can see the truck, all the parts to it. Servo. Motor. Battery is already inside of it. Yep, I don't know why it has two battery. Oh, this plugs in to there? No. I don't know, I gotta figure that out. Looks like almost it does. But suspension. Ooh, wow, that's nice. Oh wow, that is cool. Look at this. There we go. Look at this suspension on this thing. Oh, those clips are to adjust the suspension on it. But that is cool. I mean, that AGV compared to my old one is, yeah, it's a lot bigger. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, there we go. Yeah, look how much bigger that one is. And obviously it has a actual suspension on it. That is a nice truck. That is going to make a great AGV. So the truck is here, but the PCBs are also here. Look at that. 10 of them. Look at it. Let me open this little bundle. Came in this little box and wrapped up nicely. Bundle. Try not to cut myself in the excitement. There we go. So these are the ones that were E-tested. So these are the ones that they electrically tested and made sure they worked. That's free to have 5 of them E-tested. The other 5 you had to pay. I didn't want to do that. So this looks to be more than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 of them here. Holy smokes. Yeah. I just shouted that on Let's Make Robots. 14 of them. Look at the back. It has my name on it. Oh, I sure hope these work. They're so beautiful. Oh, that is nice. I'm shaking. There's 14 of these suckers. I mean, I got 9 in my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's 5 right here. So I guess they're being nice. And they have leftovers, so they just went ahead and made me some more. 14 of them. That is crazy for $20 plus $3 shipping. Yeah, if you're not ordering, your own PCBs, there's no reason to make your own. I don't see why people etch. I don't even need this many. I mean, I can make like a cup coaster with these or something. Look at that. Maybe if I put some together, I have like a cup coaster. Okay, I've got to look at these some more, and that's it for now.